All right, guys, you are welcome to the Frugal Investor. This is one of the first of its kind video that I'm making in this channel about flash loan, right? So what is basically flash loan? Now, let's say, for example, you are an individual who wants to buy a commodity. You spotted a commodity. Let's say you spotted a bag of two companies that are buying and selling rice. So one company is selling rice at a lower price, while the other company is buying that same rice at a higher price of the other company that is selling it, right? So basically, the more money you use to buy rice from the first company and sell it to the other company will determine the more profit you make. And guys, do also know that you're gonna be paying some taxes, fees, some gate fees or stuff like that. So several fees or levies impeached by you by the government and stuff like that. So you have to pay those things. So after trading all those things and calculating your losses and your gains, and you are still in profit, that is basically arbitrage for you, right? So, but this time around, we're going to be talking about this in crypto arbitrage form. And this time around, Flash Loan has come into this situation to help you maximize your earnings, guys, your earnings and the money you can be using to trade this. So instead of you going to buy that rice with $10,000, you're buying that rice with $10 million. Just imagine the difference, right? So it's really massive, guys, and you're borrowing this money from the blockchain itself, right? This is basically zero risk crypto arbitrage trading, right? I know you're interested in this, guys. And by the way, this is Frugal Investor. What I simply do is teach you guys how to make money online. So if you're interested in knowing how to do that, what is something to do? Subscribe to the channel, put on the bell notification icon, like this video, guys, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. So, like I was saying, I was talking about Flash Loan, and you can see over here, guys, it has zero risk loans, right? But you can still lose money in Flash Loan. So people will ask, okay, so I'm not doing this Flash Loan with my money, so how is it possible to lose money in Flash Loan? Well, that's actually where the government levies and the gate fees that you're gonna pay will have to be taken out, and without refunding you that back in case your Flash Loan did not go through. By the way, this can happen in several situations. Basically, you do not provide enough gas fees for a trade to be executed fast enough and stuff like that. But anyway, there are lots of guys talking about these things in YouTube, and these guys are gurus. But guys, I want to warn you guys right now, do not go to YouTube and just follow anybody that's talking about Flash Loan, because what these guys basically do is that they just come over here, try to scam you guys from your hard-earned money. I just don't know why they do that, because initially Flash Loan works. They can risk their money, just not too much money, highest $500 at a go, risk the money and try to make up to $10,000 from it. But some people just don't actually want to do that. Some people just want to increase the violence, they just want to increase the pain to other people's lives. So they just come over here and write some shitty codes that will steal your cryptocurrency from you once you think you're performing Flash Loan. And guys, one of the most example of this, in case you're on YouTube searching about Flash Loan, crypto arbitrage, once you see anybody that's saying, after copying his code and pasting your Remix app and stuff like that, and then you have to provide liquidity to that coin, guys, I would suggest you be very careful with that video. Now, some of these guys don't ask you to provide liquidity at all. The only thing you need to pay is your gas fees, and guys, they do not have control over that gas fee. So whenever you start something like that, I should say you have like 80% go opportunity for it. But also that doesn't mean that you can make that Flash Loan successfully, because at the end of the day, your Flash Loan might not execute fast enough, guys. And this Flash Loan is called Flash Loan because they loan you the money in a second. You perform the crypto arbitrage within 10 seconds. You use that loan for whatever you want to use it for, but it must be within 10 seconds. So once you are done, the blockchain will take his money back. So the money you have left is what will decide whether you are in profit or not. All right. So, and what that means is that they're gonna take the money that they gave you guys. They're not gonna actually take any collaterals or stuff like that. But in case you want to use a safer strategy, guys, there's another platform that is called Full Combo. Now, this platform is gonna help you perform crypto arbitrage. You can use your Polygon network as well to connect to this, or your Ethereum network and stuff, right? So you have to connect this with your MetaMask in case you want to start using Full Combo. But basically, Full Combo is less profitable than this normal traditional Flash Loan arbitrage trading, right? But at least you get to see your profit before you actually perform the arbitrage, before you actually initiate anything. Right? You're gonna see the profit that you can be able to earn from that place. And as well, this same risk involves in every single Flash Loan arbitrage out there, right? So you need to be very careful, guys. Don't just go ahead and follow anybody that's in YouTube telling you to copy their code, put in your remix, and make money from Flash loan. So coming over to remix out here to show you guys exactly what I was trying to tell you guys about. You can see that once you come to remix, so they kind of give you a scam alert to beware of the online videos promoting liquidity fraud runner bots that that will tell you that you can use their bots to make lots of money online. Now, coming to this comment section of this remix article over here, which they wrote in Medium, in case you don't know. So basically, what they are doing, so what people are saying right here is that they've actually experienced this. So I saw a person who said that they were foolish enough to fall for something like this some months ago, which is this one. So yeah, so some months ago, the person fell for something like this, and it's really painful, when you want to make money, when your aim is making money and somebody is busy scamming your money from you. We've experienced this in a lot of crypto arbitrage scam sites and stuff like that, but I know better right now, and I know exactly how to handle those guys right now. But I'm just doing this video so that you guys can know that something that's called flash loan arbitrage exists. So what I basically advise you guys do is that once you come to this place, look for somebody who is a crypto guru, somebody that is attested for, somebody that shows his face entirely on YouTube, because basically these guys don't show their face. But I've watched this person's own. This person is quite legit, but you have to pay to be part of his group, right? I think you have to pay some amount of money to be part of his flash loan triangular arbitrage board. I think what is running is a triangular arbitrage board. It's basically less risky and stuff like that. He's actually a great developer. I've seen him talk. He talked like one of my mentor. Like he's really a great developer, I think. So you can just go ahead and follow great developers. You can see over here people are talking about full combo. So this is basically what full combo is gonna look like. But I'm going to make a detailed video about that in another video where we're going to be talking about full combo flash loan arbitrage in particular. So in case you want to know about that, simply subscribe to the channel, put on the bell description icon, like this video, guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So right now, I hope I already got you guys pumped and got your blood pumping that you can actually make more than $100,000 in a single month using flash loan, because already you're getting this money for free and you're basically doing this like with zero risk. All right, though there's some risk involved, which is your transaction fees and your gas fees and stuff like that. But anyway, I'll see you guys in this video. We're talking about this in total, and we're gonna be using full combo to trade with Uniswap, or we trade with SushiSwap, which you guys can see over here. So there are a lot of markets you can trade with this. So we have Uniswap, we have SushiSwap, and some other markets, right? So I'm just gonna be ending this video right here, and I hope you guys already understood how this thing works and how you can make money from this, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video, and take care.